Welcome to Byte in Apple, your front row seat to the world of coding, Apple innovation, and the platforms driving the future. So this week, we're unpacking the freshest trends in Apple news tied to coding and AI, all from the last 7 days. Let's dive in. First up, Apple's massive $500 billion U.S. investment over the next 4 years is making waves. Announced earlier this week on February 25th, this includes a shiny new AI server factory in Houston, Texas, a 250,000 square foot BSED to power Apple Intelligence. For coders, this signals big opportunities. Think Swift developers optimizing AI-driven apps or engineers crafting tools for Apple's growing silicon empire. The company's doubling down on domestic production, too, with chips already rolling out of TSMC's Arizona plant since January. This isn't just hardware, it's a coding ecosystem in the making. Trend 2 hit on February 24th. A leak from the iOS 18.4 beta suggests Apple's flirting with Google's Gemini AI for Apple Intelligence, joining ChatGPT in the mix. Mac rumors caught the code crumbs, and it's got devs buzzing. Picture this: Gemini crunching data, ChatGPT spinning pros, all in one Swift-powered app. It's a sandbox upgrade that could redefine cross-platform AI coding. No official word yet, but if this lands, your next project might just get a twin turbo boost. Stay sharp. Across the globe, Apple Intelligence spoke Italian this week. The beta dropped February 24th, packing writing tools for iPhone, iPad, and Mac, grammar fixes, rewrites, and summaries, all in La Bella Lingua. Ex-posts raved about its coding crossover. Think multilingual doc polishing in seconds. For devs targeting global users, this is your localization wake-up call. Parlate Tech, Apple's saying C, and so should you. Trend 4's shaking up the game. On February 27th, the New York Times dubbed it Vibecoding, AI letting non-coders build apps via prompts, no syntax required. Apple Intelligence's image playground fueled the hype, with hobbyists churning out tools in hours. For pros, this nudges Swift playgrounds to evolve, marrying AI with classic coding finesse. Vibecoding, trend, or takeover? You tell me below. Rounding out our 5, Apple confirmed on February 21st that Apple Intelligence hits Vision Pro in April, but whispers from X this week hint at more. Think Genmoji, writing tools, and now whispers of spatial coding suite. Imagine debugging Swift in 3D, tweaking UI with a flick of your wrist. It's not confirmed, but the buzz says Vision Pro could be the next coder's canvas. AI and AR for coding? That's a plot twist I debug all day. That's your Byte and Apple Top 5 for March 1st, 2025. From AI factories to spatial coding dreams, Apple's rewriting the script, and we're here to decode it. Love this? Hit that like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Which trend's sparking your next big idea? Drop it in the comments, and I'll see you next week. Keep coding, keep innovating, and take a bite out of what's next.